In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix max HBO error code problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is write down the exact error code. So this helps find you the right solution faster. You can also go ahead and check or visit status.max.com if there's an outage and wait and try again later. Always ensure that your internet is stable and working. You can also try restarting the Max application or even update it from your app store. You can also try a different device to use it. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you common Max HBO error codes and fixes. If it says -1, it's just a general playback error. You want to restart your app, check your internet connection and try again. -2 is service unavailable. Max service may be down, so try again later. -3 is network error. Connect your or check your internet connection and restart your router. -5 is video playback error. Clear your cache, update the app, or try a different device. 100 is authentication error. Sign out and sign in again and make sure your account is active. 3000 is too many devices. You've reached the limit. Remove a device from your account. 6000 is parental control and PIN error. Check your PIN or parental control settings. 7000 is content restriction. The content may not be available in your region. And 9000 is payment billing issues. Update your payment and billing information. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.